Hello, my beautiful emeralds, and welcome to the Real Mauritius Apartments. Today is very exciting because we went to the sea, because we went to the beach in Grand Gaube, which is literally a 5-minute walk from the Real Mauritius Apartments, so just down there. And you know, sometimes the best things in life are things unplanned. So we just went to the beach to chill out. My son, you know, make some nice sand castles. And then a lovely Mauritian guy told us that the fishermen were coming in with their catch of the day. And it was amazing. I had my camera on me and we walked through the sea to the fishermen and we saw them get this fresh fish. So they went out to sea, far away. They came back in their little boats and we saw them unload the fish. So this is really interesting. It's like one of those once in a lifetime opportunities, unplanned. So here you go. Here is the fishermen in Mauritius coming to the north of the island in Grand Gaube. And yeah, this is very exciting. So let's take it away.
And this is Longchamp.
Whoa.
Longchamp?
Ooh, look at that
That one
one.
looks really
Longchamp.
Lasha.
That looks fat one.
Yes.
Camel.
People gonna eat those?
Camel.
Camera.
Come on. I found
this-
something there. I see something there.
His cousins. Cordonnier.
Cordonnier.
The same family. But this is different.
That was smaller.
Yeah, they get
Thank
bigger
you.
as well. Cordonnier, les gars, viennent 5-6 ans.
Ouais.
Ils sont pas gros là.
Rosé.
Rosé.
Wasn't that just so amazing to see the fishermen on their tiny little boats bringing all of those fish back to sea? Some people actually wait at the shore, like that guy I just showed you, which wanted to show you this video because when do you ever see something like that? Really hoped you enjoyed it. If you did and you want more sunshine and smiles, make sure you subscribe to this brand new YouTube channel. It's called Real Mauritius, and we are here giving you the real, authentic Mauritius. So please do subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time, where we're going to be taking a trip to a village here in Mauritius called Goodlands. So we'll see you then. And remember that you are an emerald, so always live in hope. And if you haven't noticed yet, the Real Mauritius logo has got an emerald in it because we want you to all live your life in hope. Work hard, come to Mauritius, and we will see you here really soon. Bye.
RealMauritius.com, bringing the island sunshine straight to you.